occupied by any shape or objects. Take a look at these two rectangles. Rectangle A and rectangle B. Which is the bigger rectangle? If you see, you can easily identify that rectangle B is bigger than the rectangle A. But how much is it bigger? Exactly. To compare that, we can split these two rectangles into centimeter squares and compare them. First, what is a centimeter square? Centimeter square is a square that has 1 centimeter at each side of the square. This is a centimeter square. Okay? Now let us split these two rectangles into centimeter square and compare them, which is the bigger rectangle numerically. Now let us divide it horizontally. Okay? Now we have 1 centimeter squared boxes in rectangle B. Each centimeter squared box is same thing as this here. Okay? Now let us divide this rectangle A into centimeter boxes, centimeter squares. If you divide vertically, it looks like this. Now let us divide it horizontally. Now you get centimeter squared boxes. Okay? If you count these boxes for rectangle A and count the boxes for rectangle B, you will get the area of these two rectangles. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here, if you count like this, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 times 7 is 35. So the area of this rectangle A is 35 centimeters square. For rectangle B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And vertically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you take 6 times 9, so that means the area of this rectangle B is 54 centimeters square. When you say area of any shape, you should mention the units squared here. Okay? Units can be measured in centimeters, meters, kilometers, yards, feet, etc. Now, for these two rectangles, we have the area. For rectangle A, the area is 35 centimeter square, and for rectangle B, the area is 54 centimeter square. Okay. Now, if you subtract this 54 minus 35, you can find how much is rectangle B bigger than rectangle A numerically. Okay. 4 becomes 14 if you take borrow. 14 minus 5 is 9. 5 becomes 4. 4 minus 3 is 1. So, rectangle B is bigger than rectangle A by 19 centimeters square. Okay? If you take a triangle, now divide this triangle into centimeter square boxes. Now, it is not easy to count all the boxes in this triangle. Some centimeter square boxes have cut at the edges. So, it is not easy to calculate the area of this triangle. So, like this shapes, you have formulas. For example, for a triangle, you have a formula, area formula, 1/2 times the base times the height. Okay. For this rectangle too, you have a formula. 9 is the length here. So that's the length times 6 is the width equals the area. This is the formula for rectangle, for the area of a rectangle. So the area is amount of the space occupied by the object or a shape. Okay, that's it for now. See you later in the next lesson. Bye bye.